friends, this is Smita, a personal empowerment life coach and an executive coach. And today we are going to talk about the 5 ways to stop wasting time surfing the web. There is no such thing as a quick web search. It starts innocently enough when you need to look up just that one thing. And before you know, you are 37 sites deep and 45 minutes have been wasted on what was supposed to be a 30 seconds exercise. During our childhood, we used to spend our spare time wasting away in front of the TV. These days, TV is replaced by the laptop or desktop or tablets and our phones. An old adage goes like, no one ever became successful sitting on the couch watching TV. The same is true of the internet, my friends. Endlessly surfing the way, endlessly surfing the web isn't going to get your goals done, nor is it going to magically make you successful. How much of your day is spent endlessly surfing the web? Technology is supposed to make life easier. It is supposed to save us time. And yet, between email, web surfing, and games, we fritter away much of our time. What could you accomplish if you could reclaim even a portion of that time each week? Probably quite a bit. So, here are the 5 ways to stop wasting time while surfing the internet. Number 1, unplug from the internet. When you really need to get work done without interruptions, turn off the internet. Literally unplug. Use airplane mode on your phone, whatever it takes. If you need a more elegant solution, there are software apps that let you block specific websites for a specific amount of time. For example, you can block the news site, your Facebook and Twitter feed, and yet you'll be able to do the rest of your work and research. Use these softwares. Number 2, resist the urge to look it up. These days, information is only a click or web search away. But do you really need to know the answer to every bit of trivia that pops up in the course of your day? Resist the urge to immediately look everything up on Wikipedia. That one search could end up costing hours of your time. Number 3, set a timer. If you must search the internet, set a time limit on your web adventure. Better yet, set an actual timer. This puts a boundary on your surfing. Or at a minimum, it will snap you out of your web-induced days when it starts chiming. Number 4, delegate where appropriate. In corporate environments, the web makes it easy for you to do others people's work. Are you looking up solutions to problems that others should be solving? Let the appropriate person research the problem and find an answer. I have witnessed colleagues, juniors, and even seniors wasting times of their days Googling answers to issues for which an entire team exists to work on. Number 5, save articles for later. Now, when you're surfing the web, it can be tempting to keep reading each related and linked article. A great technique to stop this is to save other articles for reading later. You can use an app like Pocket to save those articles. This allows you to save important information while preventing you from endlessly reading now. Interestingly, you will also find that when you go through your saved queue, that you don't really need to read so many articles. And so half of your queue gets cleared without reading. In other words, upon later reflection, you realize they weren't worth the time in the first place. The internet is a powerful tool, my friends. It allows us to instantly find information and solutions to many problems. However, it is also a big time waster. One web search can lead down a path where you end up wasting hours and hours. So, put down the mouse, smartphone, or tablet and get some work done instead. That was all for today, friends. If you liked what you saw here, do leave a comment and share this video in your network. I'll see you the next time. Until then, bye bye.